Hey YouTubes, this is Go for Bob on the Go for Bob channel, and today we are doing a LEGO review set of an idea set number 21308, and it's Adventure Time. It's a LEGO ideas set, so good quality box. So it's on the back of the box. Okay, all your favorite characters of Adventure Time. I must admit, I have watched it, but I must admit I'm not 100% sure of the name, so I'm gonna have to read them out. I know that's Finn, Princess Bubblegum, Marcelina, the Ice Wizard, I think. Anyway, we'll read them out and we'll get them correct. Alright, so that's it for that. Inside the box, and it's a good quality box. It really is. You know, these idea sets. There's the spare pieces. You do get a brick separator with it. Okay, and the instruction booklet is great as well. Look at, you know, it's good. I think it's good quality. These idea sets really is good quality stuff. So, it's Adventure Time. We go into a bit of. Alright, so you get Finn, you get Jake, you got BMO, Marcelina, Marceline, sorry. You get Lady Rainicorn, Princess Bubblegum, Ice King, and Gunter. And this is Adventure Time right there. So it goes into what you get. Different languages, of course, as well as English. You get Spanish. You see different languages. Be Spanish, be French, possibly Italian. Anyway, that's alright. And there's advertising other sets that you can get in the thing. I've got that one, and that one. Haven't got the maze yet, but yeah, plan to get that one day. And there's a picture of the designer right there, of the Adventure Time designer. Alright, anyway guys, that's that. Let's get it back on track and let's review those pieces. Now, I didn't build the set, my son did, because he likes Adventure Time. So he likes it, so yeah, he wanted to build it, so I let him build it. So, cool as that is. There's Finn. Backpack on. And his sword. Okay, there's Marceline. You can get this one also in dimensions. Marceline. Oh, leg fell off. Not good. She's got a guitar. That's it there. It's not too bad. Leg fell again the other side. Alright, there's that. There's Princess Bubblegum. She's got movable arms. Nice solid set there. Okay, and then you got the Ice King. These ones are, yeah, cool. The new ones there, definitely, they're really cool. Printed piece, nice. That's the Ice King. And you got Jake. Printed piece there, not bad. And you have Emo, I think it is. Gunter, I don't know, Emo, maybe Emo. This was Emo. So that's cool. Printed piece there. And I think that's Gunter, is that right? Penguin. And Rainy Unicorn. Cool stuff. It's a cool track in there. Couple legs. Yeah, printed piece. Alright, have I missed out on any? And I'm actually not too sure what these are, but they come with it. Alright, like little controls, right? Remote controls of some sort. Anyway, guys, yeah, it's different, and if you're collecting all of the idea sets, then yeah, this is number, what is it, number 16 of the idea sets. I think, what are they up to, number 19, I think it is. I think, yeah, they got the Saturn V, and then they've got the old fishing store, and then they got the NASA Women. This is the latest one out. Alright, so that's number 19. Okay, so anyway, guys, that's it. Cool little set. Didn't build it, my son built it, but it's a cool little set. It's going on my display. I know what's going on, not going on my Lego City, but it's going on my display on a shelf somewhere. Look how cool, that's a printed piece right there. That's kind of cool. Finn, huh? With these teeth. Anyway, okay guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye. Oh, and also I forgot to tell you about the piece count when it was released. This was released in 2017. Has 495 pieces, no minifigs. That's it, okay? No, this time for sure. Let's go. Bye.